Before we begin, make sure you have your fan veils so that the top edge is by your index finger and it's opening up behind. So you can see it opens up behind like that. So we're going to start with the easiest, quietest ones. So the first one we're going to do today is the Waterfall. You just put one fan in front of the other, whichever dominant hand, whichever wrist is the strongest, so you can do this. So that's the cue. And then you just do this for 8 counts. If you want to repeat it, you can repeat it. Sometimes we'll end a song like that because the music is fading out, so we just go until the music ends. And then exit. So say we're dancing along. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So another easy one is the Mayas, which are just your usual Mayas in sets of 3, starting with the right. And you're going to cue it by framing your hips like that with perpendicular fans. So make sure that they're straight and not straggling out behind, because it might look like another cue. So here we are on 7, 8. Of course, I knew that was going to happen. 5, 6, 7, and it's right, left, right, left, right, left. If you want to repeat it, just keep them there. No. 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, Luna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Luna. I can't with you. Okay. Let's add another combination. This is the shimmy. And the shimmy starts with your fans shimmying first, and then you bring them to either side, making sure that you're not covering yourself up. You turn diagonally like this and shimmy. And that's for 8 counts. If you want to repeat it, just keep the fans going here. So here we go. Make sure that you start the shimmy with the fans first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the 3 quietest combinations. All of the rest of them have a lot of arm moves. So let's start with the lead throwing move first. That's called the arcs. And it starts with a cue down low here like this. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's nice if you can open your feet a little bit and get a little action in the body from side to side, you know, instead of just standing there and going like this. You see the difference? So open your feet a little bit and let your weight change from side to side. There you go. An easy combination to remember is the washing. So you turn to the left, that's the cue, and then do right, left, right, left, right, left. So let's say you're dancing along. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see that these fan veils, because they're trailing on the ground a lot, require a little bit of manipulation to keep them from getting tangled up. They'll still get tangled up. But to keep them from getting under your feet, or, you'll get the hang of it once you get used to using them. So far we have 5 moves. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and the cue is like this for the corners, very simple. Here's the Mayas, the shimmy, and the waterfall. The washing, corners. And if you want to repeat it, you can repeat it. You can repeat any move anytime. Okay, so the ripples is going to start with the left hand fan low down on the right side. So that's the cue, and then you do double time ripples across from one side to the other. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3. I love that one. So again, let your legs open up a little bit. Move your whole body with these moves. My ceiling is so low. You'll notice that, when the fans go up and come down, that's when you need to make sure that they're not getting underfoot. Front waves. So the front waves again, just going to talk about what's happening there. So there's the cue, big one to the front, and then flip, 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 like that. So the cue is the arms out at shoulder level. Then it does a big wave, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's add that to our repertoire. Excuse me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Arcs. Front wave. 7, 8. Front and corner, 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 corner. Now the corner swirls. Front wave again. ripples. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's like the fastest one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Ripples and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 6,